Ways to become more likable. What are the qualities that make someone likable? What makes people want to be friends with you? In this Psych Simplify video, we will explore ways to become more likable. Why are some people liked and others not? It all comes down to the style of interacting with others. The good news is that you can easily focus effort on creating an interaction style that will result in other people seeing you as a very likable person. We will start with be genuine. One of the best ways that you can become more liked is by showing that you're a good person in your thoughts, your deeds, and your communications. Think kindly of others unless they give you a clear reason not to. Try to do people a good turn if you can. Volunteer to help them with problems before they ask for it. And if you can't say anything good about someone, then just don't say anything at all. At all costs, avoid gossiping, as few things will give you a label of being not nice than being known as a gossip. If someone tries to share gossip with you, just say, "I'm not interested." Have a sense of humor. Many studies have shown that we often judge people based on their sense of humor. Funny people are often seen as smarter, fun, and much more likable. It has also been found that a man's ability to make a woman laugh is one of the most important qualities he can display if he's looking to start a relationship. Do be careful though, as humor is subjective and a matter of personal taste, so be sure that you know your audience. Don't judge. Not judging is a very important part of being likable. When we're younger, we're trying to figure out the world and mainly finding out who's a friend and who is not. This can lead us to make snap judgments about people without having all the facts. Likable people are patient and understanding with others, even if that takes a lot more time and investment than just making a quick judgment call. Others will pick up on this quickly as they reveal things about themselves and their views and notice that you are always accepting and tolerant. You will build trust and acceptance with this approach. Remember though, this does not mean agreeing with people on everything. Rather, it means showing them that you respect them and their views, even if they differ from your own. Be mindful. Being mindful of the feelings, needs, and wants of others, even in small ways, will definitely get you liked. Listen thoughtfully when people talk to you. Do small things for them, like bringing an extra coffee or a donut to share, or remembering their birthday with a simple card. These small gestures will show that you are a kind and a thoughtful person, and this does not go unnoticed by most people. Following the suggestions in this video will get you a reputation as a kind, helpful, and likable person who does not have a bad word to say about anyone. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe, and feel free to share it with your friends. If you want to be notified of all new videos, also hit the notification button. Thank you.